Come forward. Walk forward, baby. Come on. Oh, you stuck? Here, let me help. I'm gonna get you unstuck. Okay, come this way. Come to Mom. Do you want some more cheese? Come on. You can do it. Yay! Good boy! Oh my goodness! Can you turn the corner? Let's see if you can turn the corner. Come on. Come on. It might be hard on the carpet. Come on, Handsome. Come on. Do you need some fuel? Okay, let's fuel you up. Let's get you some cheese. Get that piece. Got it? All right, come on. Let's walk around the island. Come on. You can do it, I know. Do you need some help with the corner? No, you can do it. Come on. Come on, baby. Come on. There you go. There you go. You can use your pushers. Here, come on. Come forward. Okay, I'll give you more cheese. There you go. Is it hard on the carpet? You can do it. Here you go. So exciting. Come on. Come on, Pumpkin. Can you turn your car? Can you turn your car around? Come over here. Come this way. You did it. Oh, Dad, you'll go. Uh-oh, you're going backwards. Oh no, come forward. Come on. Come on. You can do it. Come on, use those little legs. Use those Flintstone legs. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Come here. Come to Mommy. Come here. Come here. Oh, I'm so proud of you. Come this way. Come here. Come here.
Don't worry about it,
He just started doing it because he wanted cheese. Come here. Yeah, go get Bubba. Go get Bubba. Come here. We're so proud of you. Oh, you hit a wall. Come this way. Turn your car. He went all the way around the island.
Really?
Yeah.